this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This video is for Scraptember, a video a day, and it's for Make Paper Art. There is my code for 10% off, and also there's the cut file called Wild Child. And I decided that I am going to turn this into what is called a Facebook, like I'm Facebooking my daughter. So this kit and everything else is from How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I decided that my child is pretty wild when it comes to using filters and stuff. She's constantly using filters on my phone and then saving the pictures and all of that kind of stuff. So I decided that I'm going to attempt to make this page look like I'm Facebooking my kid with the cut file in the middle. So what I decide to do is I get out all of my papers and I start to back the cut files. And I just pick some certain colors that looks like it's going to match. And I just decided to pull out these here ones, and I'm just showing you how to use this close to my heart pen that I use. It's the Bonding pen. If you want to know what pen that is, just let me know and I can get you some information on that. And I'm backing this word that's called wild. The child, wild child, is what the cut file is called. I'll link everything down below to Amanda's cut files, Etsy shop, and all of that kind of stuff. I am super duper excited because not only am I excited to always use her cut files, but I'm really excited that I actually get to meet Amanda in person in November, because she is going to Heather's crafty retreat that is in November, and I'm super excited because the other part of this cool thing is we're going to be roomies. So I'm super excited. Late nights, maybe a little bit of wine here and there, and some coffee, and just to get to know each other just that much more. And I'm so excited for that. So I finally, one, get to meet the person that I am part of a design team with. Two, it is just awesome that I get to hang out with her and that kind of stuff. So here I am. I'm just backing this cut file, and I'm just making it all work out as much as I possibly can. And this kit, like I said, is from How to Kill a Kit with Style, along with my retreat that I had in May. I'm trying to finish up the pictures. I'm almost close to it being done. I'm hoping that by October, I should be able to say that I am done with this particular set of pictures and stuff, because I'm pretty close. This is like Saturday night, if I remember correctly. So I'm getting there, or Friday night. It's either, I think it's Friday night actually. Yeah, this is Friday night. So Saturday we're getting into Saturday stuff, because yeah, then there'll be some more, and then we leave on Sunday. So this is Friday's nightly crew pictures that I took of Kaylin and I. And all you do is that if you don't know, you can take pictures while you are Snapchat or Facebooking using the Messenger. You can, hit a screenshot or whatever, take the photo, and that's what I did. And what I did was that when these print out, they print out so big and bulky looking, so I just cut the photo, the little picture that I wanted of Kaylin, and then my picture that I wanted, because it's so tiny and small that when you see where I put this all at, you can tell what I do. And so what am I doing? Oops, sorry about that. I don't know why I left that part in. Oh, well. Here I am. I'm just there. It's done. The magic of YouTube land. And so here I am. I was getting ready, or I was going to back this with some foam, and then I decided, you know what? I'm not going to do too much foam and stuff to this, because I've been keeping pretty good about not adding so much embellishments and that kind of stuff to this book, because I wanted to be able to put everything together for this year into one book. So I can say that I went to 2 crafty retreats in 1 year, and they're all in this book. So I hope that you guys are liking the video a day. We are super duper close to 15 days. This is day 14. You guys are halfway there with me. And at this point, I can say that I pretty much have I'm pretty much a week ahead. I've been staying pretty consistent of staying a week ahead, so I don't feel like rushed or any of that sort with doing these layouts. So it's pretty good, but I can tell that I'm starting to feel a little like, man, I got to do a video tonight. And for me, I'm like, I like to try to read and video at the same time, so I'm not getting too clustered or mad or upset, or, you know, just like, oh, this layout doesn't look good, or man, I gotta read this book or whatever. So it's been going pretty good so far. And this is how I achieved what it looks like as like if you were Facebooking or on Messenger and you're calling somebody on your phone. Is I put my little picture that's up on top there, that's me. I got one of the, you know, you got to play along with the kiddos, so I pulled out one of my favorite filters, and that's the one that my daughter decided to use, and I just placed it in there. So you see the wild child. I know that the W or the L is a little bit like covered up, but you can still see it. You can tell that this is stating wild child. So here I am. I'm now starting to get the embellishments out. Obviously, you guys know that this is Dear Lizzie's collection, because I have now used this for 2 months in a row for my kit, and I'm hoping that by next month I should be done with this, because obviously November's around the corner for the next retreat. And so I'm kind of hoping that by the time I get done with like November's pictures, that May will be here. So I'm trying to stay ahead of it, at least on this part. For this, at least I can say I'm staying ahead on something for scrapbooking, right? And so I'm just embellishing away. Make sure that you go check out everybody that is part of Scraptember. There's tons of us out there that's doing it. There's people that's got prompts, all of that kind of good stuff. And I am just finishing up my embellishments. This layout went super duper quick. And you'll see the black splatters come up, and I start to put a little bit of stuff down, and then I do my journaling, and that is about it. The still shots are coming up, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!